time to play. Pick a topic. Let's study civil transport. A bicycle. A motorcycle. A car. An off-road vehicle. Great! We've learned all the objects. Let's put vehicles back in their places. A motorcycle. A bicycle. A car. An off-road vehicle. Good job! All the objects are in their...
In the fields, the blue tractor on big wheels. In its trailer, someone singing very merry song. You can guess and win. Come on, let's begin. Guess who, guess who, guess who, guess who's singing?
With your finger, draw a circle on the screen. An off-road vehicle. A motorcycle. A car. A bicycle. Well done! You've colored all. Let's find all the hidden objects. A bicycle. A motorcycle. A car. An off-road vehicle. Awesome! You've found all the objects.